Part 4. Antitrust Civil Litigation. For antitrust civil litigation, there were an increasing number covering a wide range of topics and industries, especially an increasing number of claims against tech or internet platform companies. It is anticipated that the trend of growing private antitrust litigation against tech companies and development following an antitrust regulator's adverse administrative decision will continue in 2022. The Supreme People's Court promulgated in early 2021 the revised provisions on several issues concerning the application of law in the trial of disputes arising from monopolistic acts to further perfect antitrust civil litigation procedures. ByteDance's Tencent case. ByteDance and Tencent Holdings, China's largest player in content, entertainment, and social media, have been engaged in a public battle since 2019 when WeChat, Tencent's social network and messaging app, blocked the links to Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok. In February 2021, Douyin filed a claim in front of Beijing Intellectual Property Court against Tencent for alleged monopolistic behavior of abusing market dominance by blocking users' sharing of Douyin content on instant sharing messaging apps like WeChat and QQ, which excludes and restricts competition. Douyin asked for 90 million yuan in compensation. Yifang Software Sina Weibo case. In November 2021, Yifang Software, a Chinese software developer based in Changsha in southern Hunan province, sued Weibo, one of China's largest macro-blogging platforms, over alleged anti-competitive restrictions by refused requests to access data. Yifang Software helped its clients, which include multiple government agencies, discover and remove harmful information online. It does so by using systems that monitor and examine online public opinion, where Weibo has a data cooperation relationship with Yifang. The former firm has never allowed access of this data, which is detrimental to Yifang's operation. Yifang asked for 5.5 million yuan in compensation. Hitachi Mental, Ningbo Rare Earth case. In 2014, 4 rare earth companies in Ningbo filed a lawsuit against Hitachi Mental over alleged abuse of market dominance by using its centered NDFEB technology patent. China's Ningbo Intermediate People's Court ruled that Hitachi Mentos allegedly abused its dominance when it refused to license patents necessary for the production of centered NDFEB. This is the first case in which a Chinese court applied the essential facility doctrine to patents that are not standard essential patents. The controversial doctrine requires a dominant company to provide its competitors with access to an asset that its competitors must have to compete. Hitachi has appealed the ruling to the Supreme People's Court. However, unless and until that court overrules the decision, licensors with necessary patents should evaluate their licensing practices in view of Ningbo Court's decision. Licensors should develop and document their legitimate pro-competitive reasons for denying a license. Looking forward, there is no doubt that antitrust efforts will be intensified in 2022 with steadily acceleration in anti-monopoly supervision and law enforcement. The new National Anti-Monopoly Bureau is expected to strengthen law enforcement in the platform economy, data security, technological innovation, and the protection of people's livelihoods. The Chinese government believes it necessary to solely implement fair competition policies, continue to strengthen supervision and law enforcement in areas such as platform economy, technological innovation, information security, and people's livelihood protection. Resolutely oppose various forms of monopoly and unfair competition, prevent the disorderly expansion of capital, and protect the legitimate rights and interests of market players and consumers in order to promote the healthy development of various market entities to create a good competition and business environment. If you have interest to know more topics about China antitrust law enforcement, please follow me at LinkedIn or Lexiology. If you want to have clarifications or discussions on any specific issues about China antitrust law, please send me an email. Thank you very much for your time today. It has been my pleasure to share our thoughts with you. Thank you.